Hi everyone, welcome to the Blackforce app. I'm just going to walk you through the features that we have on the app. When you're signed in, the first page that you see is the home page, shows you every video that you've tried to watch. There's recent videos on the programs that you've tried to watch. So now I'm going to show you the basic features that we have: my learning, schedule, quiz, programs, courses, categories, favorites. I'm going to go into programs to show you the programs that we have and how to watch a video. These are the programs that we have at Blackforce currently: Salesforce, Technical Career Development, Business Analysis, Data Analytics, Cybersecurity, Cloud, and Artificial Intelligence. I'm going to go into the Salesforce Career Development program. Inside of this program, you find courses, courses from different cohorts under the program: cohort 3, cohort 4, cohort 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I'm going to just click on one of the training programs, that's Services Cloud. Inside of the course, you'll find available modules. When you click on the module, you'll find the videos on that module. We're going to click on one. In a video, we have this feature that we call Acts Manifest. But before then, I'm just going to show you what you can do in a video. You can either watch now, add to favorites, so that you can come back to it easily. You can rate the video if you like, and then give us a thumbs up. I'm going to click on watch, and then so that I can show you the feature of the Acts Manifest. I'm going to skip this video a little bit further so that it makes sense. Acts Manifest, what does Acts Manifest do? It gives you like a breakdown and an explanation of what the facilitator is saying at the particular time. Maybe you're watching a video and it doesn't make sense to you at the time. You can Acts Manifest. Acts Manifest is our AI for Blackforce. We're going to go back to home so I can show you more features of the app. We also have Acts Manifest on the quiz app. So I'm going to go into a quiz and then show you how it works also while taking a quiz. Alright, let's take a quiz. The first one here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After each question starts, I'm just going to pick any answer here. Basically, I just want to show you how Acts Manifest works. So I'm just going to pick on the first answer and check. This says that the answer is not correct, right? It also gives you like an explanation, what the correct answer is. But say we are not satisfied with the explanation that it gives us, we're going to Acts Manifest. We're going to ask AI. Acts Manifest. Acts Manifest shows us, the explanation of the correct answer, the explanation, and why the other options are not correct. Basically, a better explanation, really. After you're done with your quiz, you can retake the quiz, you can view questions, you can also download certificates. Say you're proud of what you've done today, you want to save a certificate. Saves the image directly to your gallery. So I'm just going to take you back to home and show you more features that we have. Favorites. This is the video that we had put under favorites. Easy access. Back at the home page, you find the bell icon on the menu bar with the number on top of it. Shows you notification. Notification pops up on your phone and you can find it on the app. If Blackforce wants to make an announcement for the students, for you, you find it here. These notifications were created before, but here, this is what notification looks like on the app. You're free to explore when you download the app. We have more features: your schedule, you find classes, that's your calendar. For today, for the week, for classes that's happened before, that's classes in red, yellow, what is happening today, and in green, classes that will happen in future dates. Again, you're free to explore when you download the app. This is your profile to see the kind of subscription type that you have, your active coupon, users that you've been invited, your next billing date. This is having everything that we have on single login in one go on your mobile device, which is available on Google Play Store and App Store for iOS. See you on App Store. Bye.